Hey yo, what up? It's your boy, the one and only K the Raps. So here, you already know, for the ones that don't know, this here is my 2021 392 Durango. Got so far all the modifications I've done to it so far. I'm going to walk y'all through it and show y'all. But one of the main things that stand out the most. All right. Let's get to rocking. Right now, we are going to put it in, kind of let you guys see. We're going to take it off eco on how it responds as far as, you know, driving wise, with it being in, you know, street basically. Let me zoom you guys out just a little bit. Alright, so this is kind of what it looks like. A beautiful view. I want to take you guys to like my favorite part of the street. We about to go to Mexico, as everybody says, that which is fucking annoying as hell when everybody say, oh, going to Mexico. No, you're not going to Mexico. Whatever state you in, that's what state you in. Crazy how everyone says that. Alright, what we looking at? Alright, so we're in street right now. You can kind of see the acceleration. It gets going, you know. Oh, and also, if you guys see the lights right here, these are the RPMs, and it lets me know when to shift. Well, of course, it shifts automatically, but it's kind of a guideline, I guess. If you're using the paddle shifters manually, then it lets you know when to shift. So it's pretty cool. I like it. You get to change the colors to a whole bunch of different colors, which is pretty dope. I set them up to a whole bunch of different colors, but when it's time to shift, you're going to notice that these blink red really fast. So y'all saw that already. So we're going to put it in sport. I'm going to bust this quick little U-turn right here. Give you guys a quick pull. Of course, you guys won't be able to see it, but y'all can feel it. Woo! Love that. See how it blinks red? It's like, all right, shift. And if y'all can hear that intake, it just makes these crazy ass. I thought it was me, like I missed something, I didn't tighten it right, but no, that's actually what it sounds like. So sport, y'all saw sport. Now we are going to go over here to track, which is my absolute favorite option. And we're going to see what it take off, kind of 0 to 60. Oh, and also you get to play with a whole bunch of stuff here. You get to do the 0 to 60, the speedometer, challenge you, a whole bunch of other stuff. My best 0 to 60 is 4.4. Let's see if we can. I doubt it. I've been consistently at like 4.5, 4.6. I absolutely hate that it does that or says that. I'm just like, eh. But let's see if we can beat that. That'd be pretty cool if we can beat that for the channel. You know? We got a lot of cars coming, so we're gonna make this quick little U-ey. Woo! That shift is absolutely bonkus. So this is like my favorite spot. I like to come right here, turn my hazards on so they see me, and I sit here for just a little while the traffic kind of clears up. Ooh, that's bot police. Even if I did a pull in front of them, I highly doubt that they'll be able to catch me. All right, let's get this 0 to 60 real quick for you guys. You ready? Holy shit. That's terrible. You see that? 5 seconds. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. I don't see how that's even possible. How the fuck is that 5 seconds? 5? So when it's in sport, go ahead before I run you. When it's in sport, I honestly think that it pulls better. See, watch this. Oh, it's trying to race. What is going on today? Acting really slow. Huh. Well, you guys kind of get the picture. Kind of bummed out. 5 fucking seconds. That timer has to be wrong. Has to be off. Has to. Ain't no way. But yeah, so this is kind of the POV of driving a 2021 392 Durango. It's so much fucking fun. I advise, I would love for everybody to get one, but the price tag on these things went up because I think they're actually discontinuing them. So I got mine for $78 MSRP out in San Diego at Kearney dealership. Very cool guy. Older dude, kind of, I want to say he was Italian or something, but yeah. So if you guys do have any questions about this thing, I will keep you guys updated on everything I will be doing, because I wanted to pro charge it, but we're not going to get into all of that. Just know that I'm going to keep it naturally aspirated and full bolt-ons, and I want to get it to at least 600 plus, but we'll see what it does. I hope you guys enjoy the video.